Good morning and welcome to our Friday Assembly. We'd like to recognize and acknowledge the Songhees and Esquimalt nations on whose traditional lands we live, work, play, and learn. Please stand for O Canada and the school song.
Now cover your ears because it's time for Friday Morning Online.
In grade 4, we have been learning about climate change and human impact on the biomes of the world. We would like to share a hopeful song with you about caring for our planet.
Choice we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's to make a better day, just you and me.
thoughtful messages in our class. We hope they inspire you to take action to protect the future of our planet. Enjoy.
Mr. Bowers, do you have any announcements?
Hi, Mr. Monkey.
Hello, Mr. Monkey.
You know, I was watching the people coming in riding bikes on Tuesday, and it was pouring rain.
Pouring.
It was raining. And I saw bike rider after bike rider after bike rider come. What a great lot of enthusiasm for Bike to Work Week every week.
Unbelievable, even in the rain.
Even in the rain. Now, I've heard a rumor that you might extend the biking to school on Tuesdays. Is that true?
That is true. 3 more Tuesdays.
3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, I've got 1 more foot if you need 4.
Well, we're running out of time, Mr. Monkey. So that's June the 2nd, 9th, and the 16th.
Oh my goodness, and then the term will be over. I love people riding their bikes and being healthy. And my grandma took me out on her bike on the weekend, and she took me and we bought bananas at the country market. Yay, it was so much fun. So happy riding, everybody, and I'll see you coming in on the Tuesdays when you get to school on your bikes. Yay, bye.
Thank you, and have a fantastic weekend, everyone.